Propane tankless water heaters are a genius invention, considering how energy efficient they are, while giving us warm water and eco-friendly sustainable homes. We have researched and reviewed 5 top-rated propane tankless water heaters, as well as one to avoid. What are the best propane tankless water heaters on the market? Number 1. Rinnai V65EP. Number 2. Camplux 5L 1.32 GPM. Number 3. Eccotemp L10. Number 4. Rinnai R1194i. Number 5. Eccotemp FVI 12LP. Looking to learn more about the top-rated propane tankless water heaters, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 5 best propane tankless water heaters, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, we have the Rinnai V65EP. As winter draws near, we begin dreading the days when even our hot water needs will require scheduling. Often we have to make a difficult choice between taking a steaming hot shower on a freezing day, working the dishwater, or tackling our laundry piles. With a Rinnai tankless heater, you can say goodbye to tough winter decisions and have hot water as many times as you need in a day. The Rinnai V65EP tankless water heater uses the ThermoCirc 360 technology, which helps circulate hot water through your pipes and give you buckets full of steaming water fast. With such a tremendous technology, you no longer have to waste precious water while making its way from the old tank to your shower. This tankless heater's energy efficiency is enthralling on its own, but even better is the water heater's compact design. With this, you can install your heater hassle-free in even the most unconventional spaces of your home. From the attic to the closet and even crawl spaces, you can enjoy piping hot water all through chilly winters. Apart from being the size of a small suitcase, the Rinnai water heater is replicable. Hence, you may simply swap components when the need is, instead of purchasing a whole new system. What more, the life expectancy of this tankless heater is 20 years against a traditional tank. Pros: distributes approximately 6.6 gallons of hot water per minute. Ultra compact. Consistent preset temperature. Cons: you will need an additional controller for extra costs if you go up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You may find the initial investment cost slightly high. Power connection instructions are a bit unclear. Coming in at number 2, we have the Camplux 5L 1.32 GPM. If you're shopping for tankless water heaters in the US or Canada, we highly recommend the Camplux propane tankless heater. For people who find happiness and enthusiasm in being outdoors, this portable heater is a joy, providing the most efficient and easy outdoor lifestyle possible. With a Camplux 5L 1.32 GPM heater, you will find innovation, energy savings, and portability as the key elements. If you are particularly fond of beach days out, camping, or family vacations in faraway mountain cabins, you will find the Camplux portable propane heater as a great travel companion. You will find various features in the water heater, from maximized protection with the oxygen depletion sensor to using 2D cell batteries to switch the ignition. You can also rest assured of optimal performance and ideal low water pressure with Camplux's operating range. You will also not be disappointed by the model's performance if you work on a modified water system featuring a 12-volt water pump. You will be pleased to note that the Camplux propane tankless heater offers the lowest water pressure on the market. The compact size and heat protection, anti-freezing protection, flame failure device, and other elements make it an ideal investment for your outdoor life. Pros: requires a water pressure of merely 3.0 psi to start up. Offers 1.32 gallons of hot water output per minute. It comes with everything you need for hooking up and operating the unit. Cons: you cannot use it for drinking water. It is not suitable for elevation beyond 2,000 feet. The highest temperature in 114.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Coming in at number 3, we have the Eccotemp L10. Ever since our awareness of eco-friendly and suitable living has expanded, we have been waiting for manufacturers to offer us products that would have helped us save energy and improve the quality of life. Staying true to these commitments is the Eccotemp L10 propane tankless heater with battery ignition. We can describe it as one of the best tankless water heaters on the market, considering the endless supply of streaming water you get. Hence, if you're planning some time away at a mountain cabin, a potting shed, or a lake home, a summer cottage, or in a camper, you can rely on the Eccotemp L10 heater to supply you with hot water throughout. With 2.6 gallons of hot water per minute, you will be able to live comfortably even on winter days. The temperature ranges from 80 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, with a battery ignition that requires 2 D cells for the flame. This propane heater is ideal for areas off-grid or those where you have scarce electricity. You must not allow the compact design to fool you, because the L10 heater gives you a permanent installation with standard half-inch NPT fittings. You can plumb this heater right in with your standard fixtures and reap the benefits of the optimal operating range of 25 to 80 psi. What else could one want than fabulous hot water while enjoying the outdoors? If this is all your heart desires, then you find a running supply of it with the Eccotemp L10 portable water heater. With a battery igniter, you don't need electricity, while the CSA regulator and 3.5-foot hose helps the model pair well with a 20-pound grill propane tank. Pros: no electricity required. Can run more than one water application at the same time. Starts the flame only when water runs, so there is no overheating. Cons: accessories may need adjustment as per customer reviews. You need to mount with the pump facing downwards. It does not regulate the temperature itself. Coming in at number 4, we have the Rinnai RL94i. Rinnai offers you the best tankless water heater for your indoor use. There's never a time when we could refuse the benefits of having running hot water in the house. From dishwashing to soothing our tired and achy muscles, the hot water feels like a treat most days. The Rinnai RL94i is an indoor propane tankless heater that ensures you live a comfortable life and your bathing, laundry, and dishes never have to compromise for a lack of hot water. With the best of the ThermoCirc 360 technology, this heater circulates hot water like magic through your pipes. Efficient living and energy saving are the key elements of this water heater, as it takes away the wastage of nearly 8,700 water bottles per person annually. Besides, whoever refuses the extra space you free up in your home with a compact design on the models and easy installation? With the Rinnai RL94i, you use 40% less energy than the traditional tanks and play your part in reducing the harmful CO2 emissions. Pros: replaceable components. 20 average years of life expectancy against the 8 to 10 years of traditional tanks. Cost efficient in the long run. Cons: not usable for drinking water. Water stays hot as long as you keep it running. You may require tools and readjustment of your vent for installation. Coming in at number 5, we have the Eccotemp FVI12 LP. We consider the Eccotemp FVI12 LP a top-rated tankless water heater for RV or mobile homes, considering its intense propane flame. This feature helps the water to begin heating the moment it goes through the heat exchanger. So if you're looking for a reliable source of hot water all through the year, especially for your RV or mobile home, here is an ideal water heater for you. With gas powering, you can equip any part of your home indoors to supply hot water with the Eccotemp FVI12 LP propane water heater that activates only when you're using it. The energy-saving feature ensures you save up on exorbitant bills annually, while the installation is safe and convenient for your indoor life. This propane tankless heater comes with efficient power ventilation, hence it suits almost house sizes, for small cabins to lavish home apartments. Of course, who wouldn't appreciate minimal sound as appliances run in the house? With this propane heater, you get minimal noise output and plenty of space saving due to the compact and sleek design. You also love the digital temperature display because it is so easy to read and operate. Every member of the house will be able to work this tankless heater efficiently with the convenient manual water temperature controls. It also comes with a safe electronic ignition system, so you can plug it into your standard electrical outlets of 120 volts with UL listed cords. Pros: perfect for all home sizes. Minimal noise output. Energy saver. Activates only when one is using it. Cons: may not operate well for sinks. Some do not find it high capacity. The exhaust vent is 2 1/4 inches, and you may need to find a suitable vent pipe. And now for the propane tankless water heater to avoid. Happybuy 6L Propane Tankless. If you're out in the market for a propane tankless water heater, we would recommend other options before the Happybuy 6L Propane Tankless. At first-hand user reviews indicate the water heater promises to be stainless steel and rust resistant, but exposure to outdoor elements may prove otherwise. In certain instances, the Happybuy 6L Propane Tankless has developed rust, which may indicate that only the front panel is stainless steel, while the rest is inferior quality material. The unit is also not a hassle-free one, as it requires 3 adapters to work the water in and out, and the propane to work with American fittings. Also be aware that this cannot run longer than 20 minutes without shutting off, and it is not designed for the indoor use. It does remain a decent budget option and is capable of providing warm water on the go. There are better options on the market if you can afford one of the more premium propane tankless water heaters, however. Pros: relatively inexpensive. Compact water heater, shuts off every 20 minutes. Cons: prone to rust, not suited for outdoor use. Low quality material. And now for the Freshnss.com final thoughts on buying a propane tankless water heater. Particularly if you live in states like Washington, South Carolina, Oregon, Tennessee, Oklahoma, where demand for a propane tankless water heater is high, you need to consider some primary factors before you select a propane tankless water heater for your needs. In the end, remember to list down the main reasons why you need a fixture for an additional boost of hot water in your life, then tick mark the features of the prospective items against your list. The one that comes closest to what you need is the right pick. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and be sure to post comments or questions about propane tankless water heaters. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.